What is the difference between an expression and a statement in Python? In Python, what is the difference between expressions and statements?
Expressions only contain identifiers, literals, and operators, where operators include arithmetic and Boolean operators, the function call operator, the subscription operator, and similar, and can be reduced to some kind of value, which can be any Python object. Examples: statements C12, on the other hand, are everything that can make up a line or several lines of Python code. Note that expressions are statements as well. Examples:
Though this isn't related to Python. An expression evaluates to a value. A statement does something.
Expression from the New Oxford American Dictionary. Expression, mathematics, a collection of symbols that jointly express a quantity. The expression for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. In gross general terms, expressions produce at least one value. In Python, expressions are covered extensively in the Python language reference. In general, expressions in Python are composed of a syntactically legal combination of atoms, primaries, and operators. Python expressions from Wikipedia. Examples of expressions: literals and syntactically correct combinations with operators and built-in functions, or the call of a user-written functions. Statement from Wikipedia. In computer programming, a statement can be thought of as the smallest standalone element of an imperative programming language. A program is formed by a sequence of one or more statements. A statement will have internal components, e.g., expressions. Python statements from Wikipedia. In gross general terms, statements do something and are often composed of expressions or other statements. The Python language reference covers simple statements and compound statements extensively. The distinction of statements do something and expressions produce a value distinction can become blurry, however. List comprehensions are considered expressions, but they have looping constructs and therefore also do something. The if is usually a statement, such as, if x, 0 column x equals 0, but you can also have a conditional expression like, x equals 0 if x, 0 else 1, that are expressions. In other languages, like C, this form is called an operator like this, x equals x, 0 question mark 0 column 1, winky face. You can write your own expressions by writing a function. Deffunc, a, column return a asterisk a, is an expression when used, but made up of statements when defined. An expression that returns none is a procedure in Python. Defproc, column pass, syntactically, you can use proc as an expression, but that is probably a bug. Python is a bit more strict than say C is on the differences between an expression and statement. In C, any expression is a legal statement. You can have func, x equals 2, is that an expression or statement? Answer, expression used as a statement with a side effect. The assignment statement of x equals 2 inside of the function call of func, x equals 2, in Python sets the named argument a to 2 only in the call to func and is more limited than the C example.
An expression is something that can be reduced to a value. Let's take the following examples and figure out what is what. 1 plus 3 and foo equals 1 plus 3. It's easy to check. If it doesn't work, it's a statement. If it does, it's an expression. Try it out. Another statement could be, as it cannot be reduced to a value.
Statements represent an action or command. G print statements, assignment statements. Expression is a combination of variables, operations, and values that yields a result value. Lastly, expression statements.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.